Hello guys, today I will show you how to install Seeker tool in your Termux in Android. First you have to make your Termux update and update. For update and update you have to type apt update and apt upgrade. You have to type this like this. After you making update and upgrade, you have to go to the Google and you have to search for the Seeker GitHub. You have to type for the first one, click it and copy the code. The green color box, inside the green color box there is a code. Copy it and clone it in your terminal. For cloning it you have to type get clone, copy and you copy it there, no, paste it here. After pasting it, it will take some times. I already installed this one, that's why it's showing for me like this. After installing that tool, you have to make ls for the list and you have to see for the seeker. Here it is, copy it and you have to go in that directory. You have to change the directory for cd and paste it, make enter. After that you have to make ls. You have to install the Python language in your terminal, guys. You have to install the Python language because it will work in the Python language. You have to install that. After installing the Python language, you have to make this command python 3 and seeker. Copy it and paste it here. When you make enter, it will run. There are many types of commands are there. Thanks for watching, guys. I will show only installation video here in YouTube. You want a full video of practical video of this tool, you have to join in the Telegram channel. I will put each and everything there in Telegram channel.
Yeah.